Welcome to Day 8 of our 100-Day Manifestation Challenge, where every step brings you closer to the life you desire. Today, we'll explore a powerful yet simple practice: writing a gratitude letter to yourself. By the end of this video, you'll know how this heartfelt exercise can help you manifest your goals effortlessly while filling your heart with empowerment and hope. Let's dive in. Gratitude isn't just an emotion. It's a frequency that aligns you with abundance. As Rhonda Byrne writes in The Secret, gratitude is a powerful process for shifting your energy and bringing more of what you want into your life. Today, we'll take gratitude to the next level by directing it inward. Imagine how much your confidence and clarity could grow by expressing gratitude for who you are and what you're capable of achieving. This practice shifts your mindset from lack to abundance, opening doors you never thought possible. But how do you structure this letter for maximum impact? Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step in just a moment. Why does this work? Let's take inspiration from J.K. Rowling, who, before her success with Harry Potter, faced countless rejections. Despite her challenges, she maintained gratitude for her creative ability and envisioned her books in the hands of readers worldwide. Writing a gratitude letter helps you focus on your strengths and potential. As Napoleon Hill explains in Think and Grow Rich, what the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Gratitude amplifies your belief system and clears the path for inspired action. But there's a specific way to write this letter to ensure it's powerful and transformative. Let me show you. Here's how to write your gratitude letter. 1. Start with a salutation to yourself. Begin with something warm and loving, like, "Dear your name, I'm so grateful for you." 2. Acknowledge your strengths and achievements. Write about qualities you admire in yourself. For example, "I'm grateful for my determination to keep learning and growing." 3. Express gratitude for your goals, as if they're achieved. This is where the magic happens. Write about your dreams in the present tense, as though they're already yours. For instance, "I'm so grateful for my successful business that allows me to live with freedom and purpose." 4. End with a loving affirmation. Close with a powerful statement like, "I am proud of who I am and excited for all that is to come." But there's one more key tip that can amplify the energy of your letter. Stay tuned for it. Once you've written your letter, read it aloud daily. Feel the emotions, as if everything you wrote is already true. Emotions are the fuel that powers the manifestation process. Even famous personalities, like Tony Robbins, who transformed his life from poverty to abundance, emphasize the importance of gratitude and visualization. When you combine these two, your manifestations become unstoppable. And here's the best part. This simple practice doesn't just align you with abundance, it changes your entire outlook on life. Imagine waking up every day feeling empowered and excited. Wouldn't that be incredible? By writing this letter, you'll strengthen your self-belief and confidence. Focus on abundance rather than lack. Feel a deep sense of joy and clarity. Open yourself to new opportunities and inspired action. Try this practice for just 7 days and see how it transforms your mindset and energy. Tomorrow, we'll take this journey further with Day 9. Declutter your space. Did you know that a clutter-free environment can significantly amplify your manifestation power? Don't miss it. Now, it's your turn. Write your gratitude letter today and read it aloud every day for the next 7 days. Then, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it helps you. If you're just joining us, check out our related video, 100 Days Manifestation Challenge. The first step to catch up on the journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a step on this 100-day journey to your dream life. Until next time, keep believing in yourself and the magic of gratitude. Your dream life is closer than you think.